Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, the Chumadi Video channel. Today's video I want to share with you a scholarship, fully funded scholarship opportunity for Africans and Indians, and this is a Commonwealth scholarship. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly everything, the question going in your mind now, how to apply, the eligibility, everything you need to know about this scholarship so that you can quickly, and then you're going to see the link to do it. Please pay attention as we look at this video for Africans and Indians, but I'm going to tell you more. So let's go to the video description quite as it should be right now. Please, if you are new to this channel, we encourage you to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Very important. We'll keep on bringing updates like scholarship, grants, all those things, and all those stuff for every one of us. So make sure you follow us and get to know all of this. Let's go now. So this is the full details of this. I'm going to just pick the main headings. The first thing you need to know are what are the host institutions, because when we say Commonwealth scholarship, you're looking at UK universities. It's not just one, it's not just two. Up to 90 UK universities are participating in this program. Yes, 90 of them, and which include University of Oxford, Cambridge University, Edinburgh University, King's College London, so University of Manchester, and so many of them, at least you know these ones, up to 90 of them. Now, what's the eligibility? Eligibility, if you must qualify for this, applicant must be one, a citizen of a permanent resident of a Commonwealth country. Yes, you need to know it's not every country in Africa is a Commonwealth country. Commonwealth countries are countries that were colonized by the British. You understand? So you think about countries like Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, South Africa, Uganda, and all that, and India too. So many other countries. So apart from Africa, some of these African countries and India, if your country is a Commonwealth country, you are eligible for, to be part of this fully funded scholarship. Now, the second eligibility criteria is that you hold a first degree of at least upper second class through one standard for master's scholarship. For those who are going for master's scholarship, it should be that in your first degree, that's your bachelor's degree, you have at least, here in Nigeria, we'll call it, what do we call it? Second class upper, that's true one. We have second class lower, which is true two. But second class upper, that's the list, that's the criteria. Number three, that you hold a relevant master's degree if you're applying for PhD, because this thing is for both masters, for those who are going for masters and going for PhD. So if you are going for masters, make sure you have at least true one in your bachelor's degree. If you are going for PhD, at least you have a master's degree. Now, be unable to afford to study in the UK without a scholarship, it will be so much verified that you don't have funding. You cannot, pay for yourself. You don't have enough to do it for yourself. So these are for indigent ones who cannot do this. Now, the next one is I have not already studied for 1 year or more in a high-income country. If you have already exposed to such scholarship before, up to 1 or 2 years, then you're off. These are for new ones, people who are getting this opportunity for the first time. So you can see the opportunities are limited if you're a first-timer and you qualify for this. Then what are the benefits? Because this should be your question. The Commonwealth Scholarship is fully funded. It's not partial funding. It's fully funded, and which includes, number one, tuition fees. Everything about your tuition fees is covered. Then return airfare to and fro from the UK. Then monthly living allowance, approximately £1,347. You understand, per month, or to £1,652 per month, depending on the location. Then you talk about there's a warm clothing allowance, in the UK, the code and all that. There's study travel grants for study-related travel within or outside the UK. As long as your traveling is related to what take you there are grants for that. Additional allowances for those with children or disabilities, if applicable. You could see this is a fully funded. You're not spending any dime of yours. It's a fully funded scholarship. Application process, how do you apply now? Check country-specific nomination agencies. Now, for every Commonwealth country, because this is just open now, the application is open. But you need to still check your own country specifications and, some other things that are peculiar to your country as how to apply for Commonwealth, scholarship. Apply through a nomination body in your home country, such as the Ministry of Education or University. Each country has its own deadlines and processes. Now, get your documents prepared. Academic transcripts and certificates, because these are what's going to show all that your claims are proven. Then proof of citizenship and residency. Number 3, references, 2 academic and 1 employer recommendation. Number 4, development impact statement. Number 5, proof of admission in some cases. Now, how do I apply online? Visit the Commonwealth Scholarship Commission's website. You are going to get access to the site to this. If you are watching the video on the YouTube channel, you're going to see the link on the front part of this video, so you can click on it and see exactly what it means to, register or begin to apply on the site. Now, create an account and complete the online application form for the specific scholarship category, whether masters or PhD, because these are the 2 that is open for now, masters and PhD. Now, once you've done that, await nomination and results. Only candidates who are nominated by an approved agency will be considered. Successful applicants are notified several months before the academic year begins, e.g. March to May, for courses starting in September. That's exactly how to do this. So you can now apply. Now, all you need to do is check the description part of this video and see the link and do the application. If you still have a question on this, I will answer you. Use the comment box. I will get back to you. Don't forget to share this video so that others too can benefit. If it makes sense, please give it a thumbs up. I wish to stop at this point. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.